How to log in Laravel8 account. So if you want to log into a Laravel8 account, then first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Laravel8, and here you can go for the first search. And then scroll down, and here you will have sign up now option. Click on sign up now, and then you can go for the upper right corner and then click on sign in. And if you want to log into your account or sign into your account, login and sign in is the same thing. So you have to enter your email address and then your password. But if you forgot your email address, or if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option. Simply click on forgot your password, and then it will ask you for your email address which you have used to create your account. And after entering that, you have to click on email reset instructions, so that you will get email on your email address to reset your password. But if you remember your password, simply go back and then enter your password and click on continue. And that's it. That's how you log into your Laravel account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.